This is the news. Government seeks Arunachal view on the hydroelectric projects by the indigenous people. There are some authority or some organization in the Arunachal Pradesh. They are saying this project is abrupting the ecology of the Arunachal Pradesh from where it is located. So इसकी वजह से इस पे stay है, and if this project is built, then it will be the largest project in the India in a term of producing electricity. So this is the major projects. If this is the Arunachal Pradesh, हमने recent में देखा था तवांग वैली के बारे में भी. We also see about the some passes there, and the major river Brahmaputra is also there, and its tributary. Or there is any national park located in this area. So these are the important area from where the UPSC can ask the question. Because the Arunachal Pradesh in the news from the last 3-4 months due to the various region, maybe it's in a conflict of the India and China, maybe due to its hydroelectric projects, or maybe due to the donor Ministry of Northeastern and Research. इसकी वजह से हमेशा न्यूज में. So it's become an important area. So let's see first about the project. Exactly what is the project all about? Italian hydroelectric project poses a threat to the local biodiversity, displacing the indigenous community, etc. जब भी कोई डैम बिल्ट होता है, what are the major issue with the dam? Tribals भी कह सकते हैं, locals people replacements we can say, and what are the advantage? अगर means में question आता है, what are the hydroelectric projects? What are the major concern related to it? And what are the major advantage? उस वे में बताओ, रैंडम नहीं बताना. हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट का मतलब ही बिजली बनाना है, तो आप ये लिख के आएंगे कि इट्स मतलब इट्स मीनिंग टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सबसे पहला सिग्निफिकेंस आएगा सोशल डेवलपमेंट एंड एनवायरमेंटल रिलेटेड इश्यूज में. सबसे पहला इशू आएगा एनवायरमेंटल रिलेटेड इशू. देन द लोकल इशू, जो वहाँ के लोकल इशू का डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो मेजर इशू है. तो उसके बाद इशू आएगा रिहेबिलिटेशन. हमने हटा तो दिया लेकिन इनको रिहेबिलिटेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो उस तरीके से आपको साइड हेडिंग्स बना के आंसर्स लिखना होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप रैंडमली कुछ भी लिख देंगे. तो हमेशा व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द एनी टॉपिक्स or any answer, always think about what are the major dimension regarding to it. Is we are thinking in a right direction or not, या फिर random ही हम hydroelectric project, this is a project like I'm watching a video about some semiconductor. The teacher was saying what are the semiconductor chips के बारे में. तो he is giving or he or she is giving a definition. Semiconductor chip are the chip, and he is repeating again and again. Semiconductor chip are the chip, semiconductor chip are the chip. तो आगे तो बताओ ना, बना किससे है, क्या है, कैसे. Similarly your answers are giving the hydroelectric project are for the electricity generation. It's in the definition of the hydroelectric project ना, बनाते इसीलिए हैं. तो उसके बाद जो आप यूपीएससी कैंडिडेट और आप में क्या फर्क है? एक लोकल जो रोड पे हैं इस पे बहुत सारे, और आप लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, तो डिफरेंशिएट होना चाहिए. यू शुड गिव अ स्टैंडर्ड कि हाँ भाई ये डेफिनेशन है, स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन है. यू शुड ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन इट, कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप कुछ भी रैंडम बोल देंगे एंड इट विल कंसीडर एज अ कि यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द यूपीएससी. ठीक है. So it is located in the Arunachal Pradesh. Sometime they are giving us some of the, consider the following pairs, and they are giving the some states and which dam is built on it, and also about the rivers, specifically rivers and the dam. This type of question already asked in the 15-16 on the rivers and dam. It is built on the Dibang River. Dibang is a tributary of it, and we say the construction of 2 dams on the Di River and the Tangon River. So here are 3 rivers. One is the Dibang River. Second is the Tangon River, and third is the Di River. So it is located on these rivers. Dri and Tangon rivers are the tributary of Dibang rivers, and Dibang River is the tributary of Brahmaputra. DRI, and Tangon. DRI and the Tangon are the tributary of the Dibang rivers, and Dibang rivers are the tributary of Brahmaputra rivers. So this is the basic about the dam. So now Brahmaputra वहाँ की सबसे बड़ी river है, so it's become important to look at Brahmaputra, from which state it's flowing through, which are the tributaries, which are the north bank tributaries, which are the south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra, as well as किस state से है, कितना और कितना catchment area है, and from which country it's flowing. तो इस तरीके की अलग information है. What are the difference between the north bank and the south bank tributary? What are the geographical features में क्या difference है दोनों tributary में? तो now initially उनका target रहता था कि they are asking about the tributary. Now what is the difference between the geographical formation of these tributary? क्या north वाले में क्या difference है और south वाले में क्या difference है? And this is given on the government website कि ये दोनों में differences है. So let's see. It's originating from the Kailash range of the Himalaya at the elevation of 5,300 meters, and finally it's joining to the Bay of Bengal. It's a Brahmaputra north bank tributary as given: Subansiri, Rohadangini, Dikrong, Guroi, Burgong, Jabeli, Dhansiri. And you can remember some of it कि है क्या क्या. Or if you are making a mnemonics of it, तो किसी भी रिवर्स की ट्रिब्यूटरी आपको लर्न करनी है तो इट शुड बी लाइक कि आप उसका एक निमोनिक्स क्रिएट कर लें, तो इट्स बिकम वेरी इजी। तो गंगा का मैं बता देता हूं, राम जाने गोमती का घाघरा गंदा कैसे, राम जाने रामगंगा, गोमती, गंडक एंड कोसी। तो इस तरीके से ही आपको सबका निमोनिक्स बनाना जो आपके लिए सुटेबल रहे, कि आपको याद हो। इट्स मे बी द कुछ स्पेसिफिक भी हो सकता है, आप किस तरीके से याद करते हैं, दैट डिपेंड्स। एंड साउथ बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी आर द दिसांग, दिखो, धनसिरी, कोपीली, कुलसी एंड कृष्णी, जिंजीरान आर द मेन ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑन द साउथ बैंक रिवर ऑफ द Brahmaputra, because these are given on the government website. So these are the tributary of the Brahmaputra, North Bank as well as the South Bank tributary. ऐसी tributary they are not asking जो सबको पता है. Dibang they will not ask because everybody know about the Dibang is a tributary of Brahmaputra. So they will ask about a specific tributary. So these are the major states from which the Brahmaputra is following, and these are the catchment area. Arunachal Pradesh have the highest catchment area of the Brahmaputra, then the Assam, then West Bengal, then Meghalaya, Nagaland, and the Sikkim. Maybe sometime they can ask about the catchment area. किस state में सबसे ज़्यादा catchment area है river Brahmaputra rivers का? So it's the Arunachal Pradesh which covering the more than like we can say कि सबसे ज़्यादा 30-40% of the catchment area in India in Arunachal Pradesh. Then the Assam, because in दोनों states से ही major river flow होता है. Then we can see about the physiography of the area कि उस area में क्या क्या hills हैं, क्या क्या चीजें मिलती हैं. तो it's become important also. Dafla Hills, Mishmi Hills, Patkaibam, Brel, Mikir Hills, Garo Khasi and the Jaintia Hills. These are the major hills in this area. And if we talk about passes, हमने passes अभी देखे थे, Jelepla, Bhumla and the Durang, Dafla Hills, Bomdila, Garo Hills and these are the major things, and the Naga Hills and the Mizo Hills. जो important है physiography of according to India. So these are some of the major physiography in that area. So you need to remember it because this area is in the news from the last 2-3 months. और बहुत ज़्यादा इसके बारे में they can ask about it. So we can see here about the Brahmaputra. These are the major tributary located in Jal Darya, Daidak, Manas, Kameng, Dibang, Dhansiri. These are the major tributary. So we can see it's starting from here as a Yarlung Jangpo. यार्लू सांगपो भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. So इस सांगपो. So this is the generation of the Brahmaputra from here.